Hi guys, so in last video I have run this command for formatting the directory, and let's run the next command to start the Kafka server. And this is the command which are used to start the Kafka server. So let's copy this command and paste it here, press enter. Yes, so our Kafka server started successfully. So let's minimize this window, don't close it. So our first task is completed. We have started the Kafka server in background, and now let's move to the our IntelliJ IDEA. Let me close this and open this properties file. So we need some properties defined into this application.properties file. So these are the properties which we need to define in application.properties file. So paste these properties here. So these are the all properties. First three properties are for the Kafka producer, bootstrap server. So this is the bootstrap server URL localhost 9092, and second this one is key serializer and value serializer. And this property is for the Kafka consumer, same bootstrap server URL 9092, and this is the group ID demo group, and this is the auto offset restart earliest, and this is the key deserializer and value deserializer. So now our next task is create a config folder. So let's create a new package here, demo.config, and create a new class inside this config folder. New class Kafka topic config. Press enter. So this is a configuration class, so let's annotate it with add configuration. Sorry guys, so before this configuration we need to create Kafka topic also. So here we have just started the Kafka server only, but we have not created any topic. So we need to create the topic by using cmd command. So for creating the topic, let me open this Apache Kafka and type cmd and run the command. So which command I need to run? Create Kafka topic. So this command is used to create the Kafka topic, and the topic name is my topic. So let me run this and press enter. Oh, okay, I have done one mistake. So I need to open the cmd inside the Apache Kafka /Kafka folder and run this command. Created topic my topic. Okay, so until now we have started Kafka server, and also we have created a topic with name my topic. So these two things which we need to perform by using these cmd commands. Sorry for the confusion. And now let's move to the our IntelliJ IDEA. So here I have created one configuration class, and here I am going to configure the topic. So friends, our Apache Kafka server started on different server, and this is a different application. So we need to configure or integrate both Apache Kafka and our Spring Boot application, and we can configure by using this code. So public new topic, import this one, and the method name is my topic. And return type is topic builder dot use name method. So here I need to pass my topic name. Topic is my topic. And then call the build method and annotate it with @bean. So this code is used for integrate my topic with our Spring Boot application. Now our next job is create Kafka producer. So for this I'm going to create a new package, demo.kafka, and inside this folder create a new class Kafka producer. Annotate this class with @service annotation. Inside this class, let me define a logger, private static final logger. Use this SLF4J logger, and logger factory. Use this SLF4J logger factory and get logger. And after logger statement, create an object of Kafka template. Import this Kafka template. So this is the variable name, and mark it with @AutoWire annotation. So this is the producer, and what is the functionality of producer? Producer used to sends message to Kafka topic. So let's create a method, public void send message, and pass a string type parameter string message. And use this Kafka template object and call the send message send method. Use this send method, and inside this send method we need to define the topic name. Topic name is my topic, and also the message which we want to send. So pass this message here. So only this one line of code we required to send a message. Okay, Kafka template dot send, and print some logger message here, logger.info, and message sent, and sorry, copy it and print the message, save it. So now we have created Kafka producer successfully, and we want to call this service method from the controller class. So let's create a controller also. Create a new Java package, demo.controller. So guys, that's all for this video. In next video I will create controller and Kafka consumer also. Thank you for watching this video.